Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, if you are an NRI or OCI, it's very important that you have your residency status updated in all financial institutions wherever you deal in India, including LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India. Most of us hold policies in LICs, of course, due to various reasons, and many of us, in fact, most do it for long term. Okay. I also had done it more than 10 years ago, and this is something like you probably pay premium every year, but you don't update your residential status. I know many, okay? Even I recently got it updated. And in this video, I'm going to describe the process. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and you don't have to visit India for this purpose. Okay, that's a good thing. But if you are already in India, or if you have plan to go, let's say a week or so, or in some reasonable time, I think this task you must do. Okay, because why to have any situation? So basically, how it works, the way I did. Okay, so and the benefit. So first, let me describe the benefit. So if you convert yourself to OCI or NRI, whatever you say, you are not gonna pay GST on your premium policy. So some financial benefit you are gonna get. Having said that, again, it's gonna be a good thing that you have your data updated. Okay. Now, how I got it done? First of all, you know in which branch in India your LIC policies are. So you need to contact with the branch. So how I did, I filled annexure 2. The one that you see here is annexure 1. There's one annexure 2 also that I will show you. Yeah. So I filled this annexure 2, okay, and I sent it to them via email, and I attached my OCI card and my passport, Canadian passport, and I said, hey, I want to change my status in these two policies, and uh, these are the these are my documents attached, and this is the form annexure 2 that I had downloaded. To be honest, guys, this process was not pleasant, okay, because many times, numerous times I had to follow up. Sometimes I had to escalate also. I had to escalate it to the zonal head because of the delay in the process, but hopefully that doesn't happen to every branch because every branch is different, every zone is different. So hopefully in your case it's gonna be simple. So what happened after I escalated the matter to zonal head, some movements were observed. Like one of the branch official personally contacted me over WhatsApp. I had a few calls with him where we discussed the process and delay reasons, and he described me what needs to be done and other things. But yeah, after escalating it to the zonal head, things improved. Before that, I was consistently following up with the branch office, and there was no movement at all. Okay, fine. Now, which four forms I submitted? Annexure 1, then I submitted questionnaire. Okay. Then I submitted Annexure 2 and self-certification FATCA declaration that it's called. So I'm going to go through all of them one by one. Documents that you send have to be self-certified. Okay. And along with those passport and OCI, I also had to send them the entry and exit stamp of India of my last trip. Okay, so that was in 2022. So I had shared that also because Indian government still stamps passport with date. So it's very simple. That too I had to provide signed copy. All right, so I'll go through all four forms. So name of policy holder, status, very important, country of residence, policy numbers. So 6 spaces they have given, which I believe more than enough, but it could be your then. Bank account details from which premium will be paid. You have to be very careful. Okay. So I hold one NRI, I had one NRI account that I used. Okay. Foreign tax identification number. So yeah, one more document that they had asked. Foreign tax identification number. So for us Canadians, it was the SIN number. Okay. So I had provided my SIN number. but then they wanted the proof of it. So more than 10 years ago, they used to issue SIN cards, not anymore, but yeah, they do issue SIN printout so that you can share with them. If you don't have, but yeah, there were questions raised to me that what is the validity of this document? My answer was lifetime, and they accepted after some back and forth. Okay. So this first annexure one you have to do. Address in foreign country, signature, name, email ID, mobile number. Okay. Now few more things. This you can fill up. Your name, undertake, and a resident of country. Okay. This is pretty simple. I don't have. Yeah. Now the issues I had with this, and I don't know why it surfaced with LIC, is that they were unable to update non-Indian number in the records. I said, how could you say that all the banks in India, even private insurance companies, they accept. Even UPI payments are being done over US Canada numbers. How could you not accept such a number? They said, no, it's our system limitation of. I had to give her a relative's phone number. Next came address. Even after a lot of back and forth, they said, no, we have to put an Indian address. I again held my head. Oh my God, what's going on? But then again, I had to put my Indian address. Why can't they accept like non-Indian address when SBI, Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, all banks you say, they dispatch documents to other countries. Why can't they do? I mean, and they even accept such address in their system. Why can't? Unbelievable. Okay. Next is uh, next is like a questionnaire. Okay. Your nationality, your country of permanent resident, date you become a permanent resident, date of leaving India for the first time. These questions are pretty simple. Purpose of your stay. So here I wrote permanently migrated. Okay, monthly income. So this you have to give in the Indian rupees. So use the currency conversion. Your current passport, like I had put my Canadian passport. Indian bank account details, source. And to my shock, they still need the name and address of an Indian national permanently resident in India to whom the policy may be dispatched. Wow, amazing. Date you leaving India, date you left India, current visit last. For this, they had asked me um, entry and exit stamp. If you are students, that was not applicable for me, so I did not. Again, date sign. Witness, yeah, witness you can get easily. Witness is not a problem at all, at least. One good thing we. Next was annexure 2, which is pretty simple. Almost same like that. I don't have to explain. I don't know why they have such redundant documents. Yeah, here the only thing is foreign address not there. Maybe they after they realize their limitation, it is FATCA declaration. Okay. Policy number, name, declaration. Okay. Is there no tax per duration outside India? For me, it was yes. So I just encircled yes. Country, address, your local address, in jurisdiction. So for me, Canada, Canadian address. So here I had put my SIN, issuing country Canada, validity of document. So I had written lifetime. These details are pretty simple. I don't have to explain. Coming, name of jurisdiction covered for which you are tax resident. Canada. So here I put Canada. Here I put no in 3. And then I did not have to do anything over there. You have to certify. Again, date, name, signature, mobile number. And then I was able to send it over scan. So in this way, my details after so many follow-ups, it got over. That took more than a few months, honestly. But ultimately, I'm happy that it was done. So that's why, guys, like if you're already in India or if you're gonna visit India, I think this is something you should do right away. Okay. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.